In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable post-game feedback on chess.com. If you've ever finished a game or a puzzle and wished you could immediately see what you did right and where things went off track, this quick setting is exactly what you need. Post-game feedback gives you an instant summary after your game ends, so you don't have to dig around for insights. It's right there, ready to help you improve faster. First, head over to chess.com in your browser or open the app if that's what you usually use. Once you're on any page, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That gear is your settings. If you're currently working through puzzles, you might also see a gear icon within the puzzle screen itself. That one works too. Either way, you're going to the same place where you can adjust how the site behaves. If you clicked the general gear icon in the bottom left, you'll be taken to a quick view of settings. From here, choose all settings to open the full settings panel. This gives you access to every category, so nothing is hidden behind extra menus. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Select Interface. This is where chess.com lets you control how things look and what gets displayed during and after your games. Inside the Interface section, scroll until you find the option labeled Show Post-Game Feedback. It should be a simple toggle. Switch it on. That's it. Once this is enabled, you'll get an immediate summary after your games that highlights key moments, such as mistakes and best moves, and offers a quick path to a deeper review if you want it. Most settings on chess.com save automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. A couple of tips as you're here. If you ever prefer a cleaner, distraction-free finish to your games, you can come back and turn this toggle off at any time. Also, if you're navigating from the puzzle screen's gear icon, the layout should look the same, and the interface section will still be where you'll find the Show Post-Game Feedback option. With this turned on, you'll finish each game with a clear snapshot of your performance, making it easier to spot patterns and track improvement over time. It's a small tweak that can make your study sessions more focused and your progress more consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your games with instant feedback ready the moment they end.